A person can pick up medicines on behalf of another individual, for example, because of family relationships or work-related responsibilities. A power of attorney can be registered in the system or in an external system via integration that would have to be made. In this exercise, I demonstrate how to register a power of attorney in LS Central for Pharmacies and use it when I register a prescription order. I start by registering customer 1002 as a delegate in the system. I open the delegate list, press the New button, and register customer 1002 Killian as a delegate. Now his cousin Courtney can give him a power of attorney. So I open the POA giver list, I press New, I select Courtney as the power of attorney giver, and I select Killian as a delegate. I can register a start date, ending date, and comment as well. To show you how this is used in the system, I open the customer service. I change the requested by from customer to delegate. I find customer 1000 Courtney, and I start by using delegate 1001 as an example. That does not work. I get an error message or a question saying that no relation is found between 1000 and 1001, but I can proceed by processing a temporary delegation. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I select 1002 as the delegate, relationship found, and I can proceed by registering a prescription order. I identify the delegate by a driver's license, and I can press new order to start the prescription order. This demonstrates how to register a delegate and the power of attorney in the system.